based on what Vaughn and Nick have seen from the engine controller and from the vehicle this week, we think we'll be able to get everything done.
Yeah. How's the ESP?
Really good. Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, it allows you sort of like, what, 30 degrees of steering into it before it really starts to kick in. I understand where the guys have started from, where they are now, and it's a big step change, but really I'm focusing on the Bosch systems, and they're bloody impressive.
What you forget is that we're on all-season tires. We're not on studs, we're not on snow tires. It's bloody impressive.